guys, Rom Guruji here, and today we are going to have a look at something very interesting. Now before we do that, if you're new here, press that subscribe button and the bell icon for all the notifications, and let's get started. So what is this? This is the new skin from Wrapcart for Vivo IQOO 3. Now why am I saying Vivo IQOO 3? Because that is exactly the option you are going to find in the drop down menu in Wrapcart. But that's not it. There are so many Android phones and even iPhones available in Wrapcart's catalog. Now one thing to note about this skin is that, well, there are no edges here, right? So the edge skin is not available. No sides are included in the Wrapcart skin for Vivo IQOO 3, though there are sides included in the other skin. Now I am here to give you my review, and no, this is not sponsored because, well, I am not at a level where people will sponsor me, but yeah, this is an amazing skin for a very simple reason. Firstly, well, it is really high quality when you see the texture, fit and finish. So this is the carbon fiber type skin. So yeah, the texture and fit and finish is really nice. And it is pretty durable, so I have like kind of scratched the phone once or twice. It's been on liquids a few times, and yeah, but it is not really scratched or peeled off. Now something to note about, a lot of people have complained over the time that okay, the sides might peel off or something might peel off. You have to either use a candle, use a lighter, or use a blow dryer to heat the skin a little and make sure that it's stuck properly. If you do not do that, the skin will start peeling off in a while. So if you are going to apply the skin, make sure you have something to heat the skin up, that is a candle or a dryer or a lighter. Now the skin should be held this far. It should not be that close that the skin burns, right? And once you're done, it will stick properly and you'll have this great fit and finish, which I have got. And it's really nice because for camera they give you two. Either you get you can put a black carbon fiber or red carbon fiber. You have the choice, or you may lose this one, so you can add a black one here. It looks really classy, really nice, goes with a lot of your outfits too if you're into that sort of a thing, and it's really nice. Now something that I do have to tell you as my honest feedback, when the skin comes, their packaging is kind of problematic at times. Sometimes they would give you the wipes, sometimes they may not. Sometimes the packaging includes a cardboard, sometimes it does not. So yeah, they need to work on their packaging. Moreover, when you look at the skin, it is easy to kind of put, but a lot of times it's not easy to know how, because you have to go on their site and see the YouTube videos. They do not give the same in a pamphlet in the skin, so that might be a problem for a few people. Otherwise, a really nice skin, really nice feel, texture, finish, right? I would have really loved if they gave the sides, because a lot of people don't really apply a lot of heat here on the sides and then it starts peeling off. I'm again telling you, if you're going to use this, go apply heat there. Now they're having quite a bit of discount on all the skins, and this skin I just got for 300 bucks, so it's really good. It's really cheaper than other ones. Make sure you have the correct tools. Go watch their online YouTube video, links down in the description for the skins that I recommend, and also for all the videos on how to apply the skin. Now with that out of the way, would I tell you to purchase it? Yes. Would I warn you about having no sides? Yes. And would I warn you without applying heat it will start peeling off? Yes. So make sure you know that, and if you're applying, make sure you apply correctly in the first go and there is no dust or anything here, because if there is dust or air particles in between, it will start peeling off. So you need to be very sure of how you're applying it, right? So guys, this was the Wrapcart skin I got for IQOO 3 quickly. And if you did like the video, and if you would like more videos, do subscribe and like and share the channel. That's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.